Toby wagged his tail, let's go again today. Back to the past, I'll jump and play. He found the magic hole, glowing on the ground. He leapt right in, woof, ice age bound. Woof, 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 back in time. Toby's paws go stomp and rhyme. Big old beast, snow and ice. Toby makes each trip so nice. Speedy! Toby saw many mammoths, furry, big and tall. He had giant tusks, the longest of them all. Toby said, elephants today have no hair. Many cried, no fuzzy coats, that's not fair. Sammy Sloth was giant, reaching leaves so high. He munched and munched forever, reach into the sky. Toby said, sloths today are little, slow and small. Sammy yawned, tiny sloths? I could hug them all. Woof, woof, back in time. Toby's paws go stomp and rhyme. Big old beast, snow and ice. Toby makes each trip so nice. Snowy, Gloria Glyptodon had a shell so round. She rolled along the ice, bumping on the ground. Toby said, armadillos now are tiny like a ball. Gloria giggled from car to pebble, that's small. Sally Saber-tooths showed her teeth so long, they sparkled in the moonlight, sharp and strong. Toby said, cats today have teeth that hide. Sally gasped, no sword teeth? I'd cry. Woof, 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 back in time. Toby's paws go stomp and rhyme. Big old beast, snow and ice. Toby makes each trip so nice. Speedy! Here comes Rhonda Rhino, stomping through the snow. Her horn was super pointy, shining in the glow. Toby said, rhinos now are naked, no fuzz. Rhonda laughed in the cold, that's a buzz. Danny Dire Wolf howled up to the moon. His pack all joined in, what a tune. Toby said, wolves today are skinny, not wide. Danny laughed, they need more snacks inside. Woof, woof, back in time. Toby's paws go stomp and rhyme. Big old beast, snow and ice. Toby makes each trip so nice. Speedy! Eddie Elk had antlers, oh so wide, like giant trees, reaching side to side. Toby said, deer today have little horns so small. Eddie chuckled, mine were the biggest of all. Toby wagged his tail, what a day with friends. Mammoth, elk and sloth, it never ends. He jumped back home through the magic hole so bright, ready for more time trips, maybe tomorrow night. Woof, 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 back in time. Toby's paws go stomp and rhyme. Ice age pal so big so prime. Woof, woof, back in time. Woof, woof. Oh. Toby chased a butterfly, flapping wings up in the sky. He tripped and tumbled, oh no, oh, fell down a hole with a magic glow. Woof, woof, back in time. Dinos stomping in a line, big and small, what a show. Toby's ready, let's all go. Woof, back in time. Dinos stomping in a line, big and small, what a show. Toby's ready, let's all go.
Meet Tiny Arm Terry, the T-Rex king.
Big's king.
He tries to scratch but can't reach a thing.
He roars so loud the trees go shake, but he just wants a bellyache cake. Woof, woof, back in time. Dinos stomping in a line, funny friends from long ago. Toby's wagging, let's all go. Woof, back in time. Dinos stomping in a line, funny friends from long ago. Toby's wagging, let's all go. Here comes Shreddy
to dance to the beat.
To the beat. Woof, woof, back in time. Dino stomping in a line. Armored tall or loud hello. Toby's laughing, let's all go. Woof, woof, back in time. Dino stomping in a line. Armored tall or loud hello. Toby's laughing, let's all row.
Brady the Brachio reaches the sky. His neck so long, he's really high.
Toby climbs up, whee! What a ride! They see volcanoes far and wide.
Anky Andy with tail so round.
Back goes the fruit that falls to the ground.
He's a dino tank with armor tough, but a smile shows his heart's not rough.
Woof, woof, back in time. Dino stomping in a line. Big and strong or gentle slow. Toby's playing, let's all go. Woof, woof, back in time. Dino stomping in a line. Big and strong or gentle slow. Toby's playing, let's all go.
Perry the para blows a horn like a trumpet at the park's big barn.